Hey guys, what's going on? From HelloFresh, we'll be making the rapid crispy shrimp tacos with crunchy red cabbage slaw. As always, we'll be going through what came in the package from HelloFresh as well as the utensils you'll need to prep and cook the meal. Once that's done, we're going to go through step by step in cooking the actual meal. That's it, let's get started. Alright, so the ingredients are as follows. We have nice shrimp. We have some red cabbage, about 4 ounces of it. We have 1/4 ounce of cilantro. We have some tortillas. Looks like 6 of them? No, 7 of them. 7 tortillas. We have shredded carrots. 4 ounces of them. We have some mayonnaise. We have 2 ounces of sour cream. We have 1 lime. We have some blackening spice. It's approximately 0.27 ounces. Oh yeah, room here. We have some white wine vinegar, 25 milliliters or 0.85 ounces. And last is the cornstarch, 1 tablespoon. Pretty simple. And those are your ingredients. You need a few things to make this meal. You need a standard salt and pepper. There's the salt. There's your pepper. You need some extra virgin olive oil. You need a chef's knife. You need some measuring sticks, a spoon for that matter. You need a regular spoon. You need some sugar. You need at least 1 paper towel. You need 1 medium to large size pan. And you'll need 2 mixing bowls. 1, 2. You'll also need, let's see, maybe 2 or 3 containers after cutting and separating everything. First thing we're going to do is we're going to wash the produce and rinse the shrimp. So I'll be right back. Okay, so after washing the produce and the shrimp, I had to devein them. That was always fun, so that took about 25 minutes. For some reason mine did not come deveined, so now they're deveined. Check and make sure you devein your shrimp before proceeding to the next step. Alright, first we have to pick the cilantro leaves from the stems and half the line. Pretty simple. Okay. Almost done. Just trying to pull them apart. They do stick to your fingers. Boy, do they. Okay, here we go. Go. cilantro done. Half the lime. Simple enough. There we go. Next we're going to toss the red cabbage. Let me get a medium bowl. That was the red cabbage. Nope. Get the red cabbage. And yes, you should rinse the red cabbage as well as every other item that came with the package. Carrots. Then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the white wine vinegar, which is somewhere around here. Alright, so we have 1 tablespoon, let me get it, of the white wine vinegar. Go. Then we have 2 tablespoons of the mayonnaise. Go. Doesn't want to come out sometimes. There we go. What else we got? We have 1 teaspoon of the blackening spice. Open this up. 1 teaspoon magic. Nope. 1 teaspoon of this. Gonna save this for later, I believe. And half the lime juice. Hold it like this, then squeeze in. What else we got? We have 1 teaspoon of sugar. So we can get the sugar out. If you don't want to use sugar, you can use Splenda. It's about 1.5 of these little packets. What else we got? And we have some salt and sugar and pepper. Here comes the salt. We're going to combine. Use a spoon. Use a fork as well. Use tongs. Use whatever you wish. Just make sure it's all nice and combined. Combine nicely, I could say. And there we go. All nice and combined. Mayonnaise is all combined, as well as all of the other ingredients. Right, next up, we're going to season the shrimp. Right, now we're going to combine the shrimp. with cornstarch. Just getting all over the place. What I like to do is then just mix it all together. Put some more in, keep on mixing. It gets all around. I didn't give it too much cornstarch, unfortunately. There we go. The rest of the blackening powder, put that in. Get it all nice and mixed. Find it easier using your hands, but if you don't want to use your hands, you can use a fork or tongs or whatever you wish. Alright, it's all combined. Next, take some salt, some pepper, combine again. And now we're going to cook the shrimp. This is a pretty fast meal, hence the name Rapid Crispy Shrimp. Alright, let's move over to the pan. Right, we're going to heat a large drizzle of oil. So we'll get that nice and hot. Might be best to use tongs for this when you have to flip the shrimp over. So get this coating. And there you go. Put the shrimp in there. And we'll separate it once it's in. So one each on its own, not on top of the other one. Won't cook correctly without it, in my opinion. Alright, about 2 minutes aside, not too long, and then we're going to make the tacos. Pretty simple. Smells great. Alright, we got about 3 seconds to flip. There we go. I'm going to flip each one of them. And then cook for another 2 minutes. Oops, there we go. Almost done. Flipping is always fun. Last one. There we go. Alright. 2 minutes. Is this about ready? And let's see how they look. Pretty good. Nice and crispy. Ready to plate the dish. Before that, actually, we have to wrap the tortillas, so let me switch camera. So what we have to do now is take some paper towels, and then we're going to take the tortillas, open this up, use as many as you wish, because we're just about done now. I'm going to start with 3 and then adjust from there. Take 3, you wrap them one over each other, one on top of the other, fold it. Now you put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. If you don't have a microwave, no problem. We put it in the oven 5 minutes at about 350. So these just came out, nice and piping hot. Take one out. Get some cream cheese, or sour cream, sorry. Spread that down. I like swirls personally, but you do as much or as little as you like. Take some of the slaw. Lay that down. Get some shrimp. Nice hot shrimp. What else we got? Get some cilantro. And a little lime juice. There you go. There is your rapid crispy shrimp tacos with crunchy red cabbage slaw. Easy peasy and pretty fast too. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to the next video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. Any comments, feel free to message me directly or list below. Till next video, bon appetit.